Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and I'm here with Andrew and Dustin. And today we're making a really special announcement, and that is to let you know that because of our success, we've been growing. Thanks to all of you subscribers out there, we're going to start giving away a mobility scooter once a month. And this time we're going to give away this model right here. It's the Pride Mobility GoGo ES2. Has a 250-pound weight capacity. It's a great scooter to travel around with. It's very lightweight. Also want to mention that our new catalog's out, so if you haven't already claimed one, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Just click on that green button at the top of every page. Just fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in about 1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's about it. And I want to give a special shout out to our customers. Without our customers, we could not make this happen. Before, we used to do it every 90 days. Now we're up to giving a mobility scooter away every single month. That's great.
And it's all thanks to you. So thank you for subscribing, for liking our content, for sharing our content. Remember, go to YouTube, just type in Mobility Direct and subscribe. You're automatically going to get entered into the giveaway. So good luck to you. You could be the next lucky winner.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.